Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a pilot, an aircraft owner, or an A&P mechanic working with light sport aircraft, you know how crucial engine health is. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of equipment that is an absolute game changer for anyone dealing with Rotax engines. I'm talking about the Rotax aircraft ECU Diagnostic tool. Stick around, because this is something you're going to want in your hangar. So, what exactly is this tool? In simple terms, it's a specialized scanner that plugs directly into the engine control unit, or ECU, of Rotax 912, 914, and the powerful 915 is engines. These are some of the most popular power plants in the light sport and experimental aircraft world. For a good reason, they're reliable and efficient. But like any sophisticated engine, when something feels a little off, you need the right tools to figure out what's happening under the cowling. Guesswork just doesn't fly in aviation. This diagnostic tool is your direct line of communication with the engine's brain. Once connected, it gives you a real-time, comprehensive view of what the ECU is seeing and doing. One of its most critical functions is reading fault codes. You know, those lane A and lane B warnings? This tool deciphers them instantly, instead of just knowing there's a problem. You'll know exactly which circuit or sensor is acting up. This takes you from a vague issue to a specific, actionable diagnostic path in seconds. Let's talk about what that means in a practical sense. Imagine you're experiencing some engine roughness during a flight. It's unsettling, and once you're on the ground, you need to find the cause. Is it a spark plug? Is it an injector? Without this tool, you might start by physically inspecting and replacing parts one by one. That's time-consuming, expensive, and frustrating. With the diagnostic tool, you can immediately check for misfire data on specific cylinders. It can help you pinpoint if the issue is with ignition timing or a faulty spark plug, saving you hours of labor and the cost of unnecessary parts. But it does so much more than just read error codes. This tool allows you to monitor a huge array of live data streams. You can see readings from all the temperature sensors: coolant temp, oil temp, intake, air temp. You can watch the throttle position sensor data in real time as you move the throttle. This is incredibly useful for spotting a sensor that's failing or giving intermittent, incorrect readings that might not be bad enough to trigger a persistent fault code. Fuel system diagnostics are another area where this tool is invaluable. For the fuel-injected, 912 is and 915 is engines. Maintaining a perfectly balanced fuel system is key to performance and safety. The tool lets you see exactly what the fuel injectors are doing. You can monitor injector pulse width, full pursuer, and the overall health of the fuel delivery system. If you suspect a fuel-related issue, like a lean or rich condition, this is the definitive way to confirm it. You can see the data, analyze it, and make precise adjustments or repairs. For mechanics, this tool is non-negotiable. It's essential for routine maintenance, like synchronizing the throttle bodies, and for performing deeper diagnostics. It can log data during engine run-ups, which you can then download and analyze to track engine performance over time or to diagnose those tricky intermittent problems that only show up under specific conditions. Think about the confidence this gives you. You're not just fixing the symptom, you're verifying the health of the entire system based on concrete data straight from the ECU. For aircraft owners, having access to one of these, or ensuring your mechanic uses one, provides peace of mind. It means your engine is being maintained to the highest standard, with precision and efficiency. It reduces downtime, lowers maintenance costs in the long run, and most importantly, enhances safety. Knowing that your engine's brain has been thoroughly checked and is operating exactly as it should is priceless. In conclusion, the Rotax ECU Diagnostic tool is far more than just a code reader. It's a comprehensive engine health management system. It's the key to unlocking precise, data-driven maintenance for the Rotax 912, 914, and 915 series engines. Whether you're troubleshooting a misfire, diagnosing a sensor failure, or just ensuring your engine is running at peak performance, this is the tool that gets the job done right. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on aircraft maintenance and technology. Have you ever used one of these tools? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.